to him.
See, every time I...
Come on, Lily. Lily?
What?
Did you get it?
No.
Try again.
Oh, maybe you're telling me in that first place.
Give it a try. Come on, Lily. Did you get it?
I was extra light.
That's not going to help you.
Why?
Because you don't know what you're doing. Did you get it?
No.
I'm going to have to give you 5 seconds.
Daddy!
1, 2,
Daddy, this cherry in the way.
3,
Daddy.
4.
I'm doing it. Now I know what A is. What the heck?
Did you get it? We're leaving now. Come on, we're leaving. It's 1, 2, 3,
Mom, can you help me?
4.
Wait, no, I can't. Stuck.
Lily? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it in. What do you think I'm doing?
I don't know what you're doing. Do you have any clue what you're doing right now?
Here, no, put your foot the right way. Like, put it over the seat, Lily, over here. No,
What over the seat? My face?
Lily, I'm trying to help you, but you have to.